Don't mind. I think about you all the time. Mm-mm. Mm. It's not a bad shot, actually. That's how you filter. That's why you gotta have loud exhaust so people know you're coming up. Oh my god, fucking hell. People like this, just fucking daydreaming. Save me from yourself. Then I feel the wonder. Oh fuck. Oh, I thought that was me! It's fucking 30 and I'm doing fucking 60. Whew. Jesus Christ. Suck a dick, man. Wow. My heart just fucking dropped when I saw those blue lights. Whew. I need to slow the fuck down. Going under, save me from myself. Oh. Ooh. Pulled in front of that car. Man, there's always one, isn't there? Oh, I can't even overtake really here, can I? Do I? Don't I? Ah, fuck it, it's only a corner. So thank you for that road driver, and we carry on. So the pops and bangs on this MT10 is just phenomenal. Like, you know, people go and they're like, oh, you know what, like, I really want to make my bike, like, stand out from all the others and stuff like that, and they go for the same shit, you know, like, mirrors, seats, exhaust, different coloured wheels. Everyone goes for that shit. People rarely ever go for engine work. That's why you rarely actually ever see, like, turboed bikes and shit like that. So, mine is a pop and bang map. And I love it. I guess if you want to be subtle and I guess boring, you just go for all the standard shit that everyone else goes for. I like to be different. I want to be unique, you know. It's a 40 still. I just don't get it, man. So it goes 60, 40, 30, but people do 40, 30, 30. It just...